Okay, so here is what you're gonna need for this cooking lab. You're gonna need a red cabbage. I obviously got a bigger one, but you can do something smaller. I have my jars right here, or cups, of the most glass or most clear glass that I have. A bowl, a spoon, saucepan, wire mesh strainer, 1 cup to measure the water, and a knife. Okay, so I've got my 3 cups of water starting to boil right now, and I'm about to cut the cabbage. Okay, so my water's still heating up. I just chopped my cabbage into 2 halves, and I'm about to cut it up a little bit more because I definitely have a lot more cabbage than I probably need. Here's my bowl of chopped red cabbage. Obviously, I'm not the best at cutting, but I do think this will work. Okay, now I'm gonna add my red cabbage to the water. I've been watching it very closely, and it looks like it's ready. Here is what it's looking like. It's only been in there for about 1 minute, but it is looking like, you can see, it's harder to tell because it's in a black pot, but you can see the color shifting. While I'm waiting for the cabbage to be done, here are my hypotheses for the other household items. So for the apple juice, I'm gonna guess it's gonna be like a 4, maybe, kind of around that range. For the milk, I think it's gonna be probably pretty neutral, so like in the middle. And then vinegar, I'm gonna say that that's gonna be more acidic, so that's gonna be more like a 2 in my mind. Okay, so here is the red cabbage indicator just by itself. I just strained it. It got a little messy, but I got it all into this glass cup. I'm sorry, it's Hello Kitty. That's all I have. But this is what it looks like right now. Now this was a cup of just 2 cups of water, and I added some of the red cabbage indicator into it, and now it looks a lot more just like a bright purple instead of that dark purple. Not sure how evenly I distributed it, but I've got the diluted red cabbage indicator in each of these cups, and now I'm going to add the household items into them. First step is our apple juice. I'm just gonna pour it directly into here. Ooh, oh my goodness. It's like so the apple juice one, it looks like it's about a 2 or 3 from that pink shade. I'm about to do the milk, and I feel like that one's gonna be in the middle, like a very neutral, because of how milk usually is. But yeah, it looks just pretty. Let me add a little more. Okay, now I'm doing the vinegar. The milk, I added a little bit more milk, and it really did not change that much. So now I'm adding the vinegar. Oh, that's also getting like a pink shade. A little bit brighter than the apple juice. But that may be because I poured a little bit of the vinegar, but still around a 3. Okay, so here are the final red cabbage indicators. We have the apple juice, which looks about a 3, maybe a 2. The milk, probably about in the middle because of its shade, but like neutral. And then the vinegar looks about a solid 3 to me. And yeah, I'm very excited with these results.